Most developers think that final keyword is just for constants. It's my first line of defense against bugs, and I use it almost everywhere. Let's be clear about who our real enemy. It's not complexity, it's not performance, it's state change. It's when variable you thought held one value suddenly holds another. Unpredictable state change is the root of the most bugs that are nightmare to debug. The final keyword is a simple, powerful declaration. It's a promise. This variable will never be reassigned. First, let's look at the class fields. Look at the secure cart class. The cart ID and user ID are declared final. This is my guarantee. Once a cart object is created, its ID and its user can never change. I've just eliminated an entire category of potential bugs related to object state corruption, right at the compile time. But notice the items list is also final. This is the common point of confusion. It doesn't mean the list is immutable. I can still add or remove items. It means the items variable itself can never be reassigned to a different list. This prevents another class of bugs where the entire collection is accidentally swapped out from under you. So the second one is method parameters. Look at the add item method. The item parameter is declared final. Why? This is my protection for me. It makes it impossible for me to accidentally reassign the item variable inside this method. The compiler will stop me. This forces me to write cleaner, more predictable code. Third is local variables. Inside the process method, item count is final. This might seem like overkill, but it's powerful signal to anyone who reads this code, including myself. 6 months from now, this is a promise that this variable's value is calculated once and never changes within this method. It reduces the cognitive load. When you're debugging a 200 lines method at 3 a.m., that promise is priceless actually. So what's the payoff? Because using final everywhere possible forces you to write better code. It pushes you towards immutability. It reduces mental overhead for you and your entire team. You spend less time wondering, can this variable change? This is a style choice, and it's defensive strategy. It's about building systems that are predictable and robust by default. This is production ready code. Subscribe.